I can't stop thinking about the time I spent with you.
Dearest Tom, when I first saw you, I felt like I knew you, and I couldn't stop seeing my life with you.
To be loved by you allowed me to feel again. What can I do? What should I do?
Can't just be a coincidence that she showed up.
She's a lovely baby, but you can't keep her.
She needs us. We're not doing anything wrong. I know that you're going to be a wonderful father.
For my dada, with love forever and ever and ever and ever.
What's your name?
Lucy.
Lucy. It was lovely to meet you. Hi.
My sister had a terrible tragedy. Her husband and their baby daughter were lost to the sea. You would have been your girl's age by now.
We have to tell people. It's her mother.
I'm her mother.
Someone knows that my girl is alive.
You'll be safe. I'll protect you, I promise. You saw what we've done to her.
It's too late.
One day, this will all feel like a dream. With love forever